Hello and welcome back to Irene Consulting Firm. In today's video, we'll break down one of the most foundational tools in QuickBooks, the chart of accounts. If you're a small business owner or bookkeeper trying to keep your finances organized, this video is for you. Let's dive in with Irene.
The chart of accounts, often called COA, is a list of all the accounts that your business uses to record financial transactions. Think of it like a financial filing cabinet for your business. Each drawer or folder in this cabinet represents a different type of account, such as assets, liabilities, income, expenses, equity. QuickBooks uses this structure to categorize every transaction you enter, so that your profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow reports make sense. A well-structured chart of accounts helps you to track where your money is coming from and going. Prepare accurate reports for taxes or investors. Make smart business decisions using clean data. If the chart of accounts is messy or overloaded with unnecessary accounts, your reports will be too, leading to confusion and costly errors. Now, let's talk about the 5 primary account types in QuickBooks Online. 1. Assets, what your business owns, examples, checking accounts, accounts receivable, inventory. 2. Liabilities, what your business owes, examples, credit cards, loans, payroll liabilities. 3. Income, revenue from products or services you sell, examples, sales income, service income. 4. Expenses, costs to run your business, examples, rent, utilities, advertising. 5. Equity, owner's interest in the business, examples, owner draws, retained earnings. Each account has a detail type in QBO to help define what it's used for. For example, under expenses, you might have meals and entertainment or office supplies.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.
To access the chart of accounts in QBO. 1. Go to the left-hand navigation menu. 2. Click Transactions or Accounting, depending on the view. 3. Then select Chart of Accounts. From here, you can view all accounts, create a new account, edit or deactivate existing ones. Best practice, don't create duplicate or overly specific accounts unless needed. You want it organized, not overwhelming. Here are 5 tips for using your chart of accounts effectively. 1. Use only the accounts you need. Too many accounts equals confusion. 2. Name accounts clearly. Use names like client income instead of just income. 3. Group similar accounts. For example, keep all utility bills under one utilities expense. 4. Avoid mixing personal and business. Separate accounts help during tax season. 5. Review your chart of accounts monthly. Make sure everything still aligns with your business model. A good rule: if you can't understand your chart of accounts in under 2 minutes, it's time to simplify. Quick tip: avoid these common mistakes. Creating too many sub-accounts. Misclassifying liabilities as income. Using Ask My Accountant too much. Not assigning detail types. Start simple, stay consistent, and your reports will thank you.
Wow, that's so amazing. Thanks for watching. Now you know what the chart of accounts is and how to manage it like a pro in QuickBooks. Do you want help setting up or cleaning your chart of accounts? Contact Irene at Irene Consulting Firm for expert bookkeeping across all 50 states. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow entrepreneurs. See you next time, and bye for now.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.